It's been a while. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all safe. As you can see, we're in a slightly different room today. We're slowly getting there with our house. And this carpet has seen better days. It also had a wash about 48 hours ago with a Bissell. Not made a huge amount of difference. Might do it again. But it's a scrap carpet, we're just playing on it now. However, not the point of this video. The point of this video is the lovely juniors in front of you. Now the grey junior is an amalgamation of the original two juniors that I bought in early 2019. I sent them to Sam, aka Becco, in 1987 to have them refurbished. And it turned out that between the two of them, they had enough original parts to make one original junior, with the exception of the shell, which isn't original. But as you can see, she looks beautiful. It's a grey one. If anybody can remember that far back or was watching then, they had names: Snappy, Snaps, and Squeaky. Both of them ate belts. Their best use was being a tripod for a tablet. Funnily enough, my tripod at the moment is my other Hoover Junior. I don't have a normal thing of naming my vacuum cleaners, but given she came from name stock, I so christened her Princess, because she looks pretty royal to me. But mainly in this video, I wanted to show the difference in them. Not with doing a mess test. She's still too clean and beautiful to be doing that to her. But just how they sound in normal usage, and why, if you are sitting on some juniors that you aren't doing anything with, then consider sending them off to Sam to get a bit of a rebuild, because the difference is astounding. And while I'm quite willing to have a bash at Dyson's, I have the fear when it comes to juniors. Anyway, let me put you in pause so I can move them round, and then we'll have a listen. Okay, this is obviously the mustard yellow one, and here we go. Just a little rough sounding. And here we go for the Princess. Isn't that such a different sound? Let me bring the yellow one back over. Okay, nobody's in shot at the moment. Turn the yellow one on. Put somebody in shot. Put the grey one on. It's amazing what a lot of hard work and dedication to his cause creates such a lovely machine. And yeah, I just wanted to share it because I'm having a terrible week and this was a nice way to end it. So again, I hope that you're all well. And that this sees you in good spirits. I do hope to film a bit more in this space. I'm planning on doing a bit of cleaning in it as well. But the whole room's getting redecorated shortly. So I'm not getting too excited about anything else. That, and I fell down the stairs yesterday and had other terrible things happen to me. But painkillers to the rescue. Anyway, take care. Bye bye.